You can find the Snip and Sketch tool by clicking the Start button in the lower left corner of your screen. When the Start menu comes up here, you can scroll down the list of your apps until you find Snip and Sketch, which is in the list right here. From there, if you click it, it will launch the app. However, if you'd rather make a tile for it here or put it at the bottom on the taskbar, you can right-click it. Let me try that again. You can right-click it, and up will come a choice to either pin it to the Start menu or here under More, a pin to the taskbar. The alternative way to find Snip and Sketch, and the one I greatly prefer, is a keyboard shortcut. If you hold down the Shift key, the Windows key, and the S as in Sam key on the keyboard, it will bring up a crosshairs here, and you can hold your left mouse button down to draw a box around whatever it is that you would like to take a screenshot of. Very powerful tool indeed. So for example, if I was on a website and I needed to show someone where the sign in button was or a particular thing on the screen, if I just do Shift Windows plus S, I can instantly take a snapshot of, say, the upper right hand corner of the screen here. And I can also, well, let me do it first. When you let go of the mouse button, it will instantly take a snapshot, and down here in the lower right hand corner, if you put your mouse there quick enough and tap, it'll bring up the tools for Snip and Sketch. The sketching tools are at the top here, where, for example, I can draw to highlight what it is that I want someone to click on. And from there, if you can save it to your computer as a file, or you can just copy it, which basically copies it so that you can then paste it somewhere. And there is also a share button, which would only work if you had already set up the Mail app in Windows 10. Not everybody sets up the Mail app to work, but anyway, you can share to that if you choose. I prefer to copy and paste. All right, so I've already copied it, and also by default, whenever you take any snip or screenshot, it automatically copies it, and then you can paste it into somewhere. So for example, if I'm in an email message here and I click right in the body of the message and paste, a variety of different ways to paste. I can right click to paste. Let me get rid of that. I can right click to paste something, or Control plus V on the keyboard will also paste anything that you've copied. And as I said before, when you take a screenshot, it automatically copies the item, and so you can then paste it anywhere you want. Right now I'm going to paste it into an email message, and it's rather large here, so if I click on it, I can actually grab one of the corners of the screenshot and make it smaller if I want. So that is how you take a screenshot. Easily one of the most useful tools in all of computing.